Hello, everyone. Welcome to day two of Simplifying Tourism. My name is Ropa. I'm sure, and it's good to have you here again. Yesterday, we spoke about what climate change is. Today, let's talk about what it means for tourism in Zimbabwe. Tourism in Zimbabwe depends on nature. We rely on flora and fauna, our wildlife, our forest, our rivers, parks, and landscapes. People travel all the way to see the birds, the lions, and open spaces. And nature is our biggest asset. It is actually our biggest tourism asset. But tourism also uses natural resources. We use energy to move guests across long distances. We use water in lodges, hotels, camps, and kitchens. We produce food waste, plastic, and emissions. This does not make tourism a bad industry. Rather, it makes tourism a responsible one. Every flight into the country, every generator used during power cuts, every long shower in a lodge, and every plastic left behind adds pressure to the natural system we depend on. And when climate change worsens, tourism in Zimbabwe feels it first. Our rivers dry up, wildlife migrates or disappears, the cost increases, seasons shorten. Tourism is both affected by climate change and is connected to it. This is why sustainable tourism is not about perfection. It's about awareness, better choices, and responsibility. Our takeaway today is if Zimbabwe's tourism depends on nature, protecting nature is part of the job. Looking forward to day three, we can speak more about this.